First things first, you go to the web page, you type in EEE, it returns 1, and you type in 1 over here, and then that's it. Okay. Now you'll see this class name here. It's got an empty white space and select. If I go to run that, it says it cannot find that particular element. Okay. Here's a pet hate of mine. I want that. Okay. And I want that white square to go black. I think that's part of the problem. Okay. So we delete that. Okay. And then we just put what we pasted in there. Hit enter. Doesn't work, and that cell goes black. I don't know why. And what I've pasted in there doesn't work either. I have to do this. This drives me crazy. Why do I have to do this? Makes no sense. That's not working. So I'll just take that whole thing again, copy and paste it across, and take that out. Oh my god, this is so annoying. What is wrong with this goddamn thing? I want that to go into that buffer. Why won't it take it? Okay, switch over to buffer. I have to do it again. Seriously, that is a major usability issue. And it drives me... Look at that, now 2 dots. Drives me crazy every single time. But if somebody can explain to me why this cell is now black, I'd love to know. Refresh that. Run this thing again, and it will work. Okay. I'd love for some expert or anybody to tell me why that's working. Alright, and for those of you who are actually interested in seeing what it does, might as well put together a quick video. Counts up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pastes it into the field on the right hand side. Oh my god, it failed. Jesus. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Not gonna fuck this up. Not gonna fuck this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and paste 5 in there. Okay. And it looks like I have duplicate windows open. Jesus. One more time. Not gonna fuck this up. Guys, I have to say, this has been the most troublesome challenge on the obstacle course I've ever encountered. This, for me, this has to be the hardest one. And it failed again. Why did it fail again? The button didn't appear. Even though we pasted it in here. Try it again. DDD. That's 5. And that worked. Saddening. Figured out why it wasn't triggering that entry box. The fire event should be moved from change to input. That's actually another obstacle from... It's one of the previous obstacles. So let's try it again. Run, here we go. Not gonna F this up. Not gonna F this up. There it is. Thank the Lord. Okay, so listen. Very long video. Very boring video from your perspective. Where the web page says type this in, you have to pull the inner value. And I stored it in a buffer called alpha 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 over here. You can see I've stored it as D. What was read it. Then there's an autogen field. That's the thing where you type in DDD. And just use text input there. And then the results pops up. And the results are unusual in that they can sometimes appear at the very, very bottom of the page. I use class name and the tag, and then that's an unordered list, and then the ordered list, the LI that comes out of it, and I use a tag to identify it. I pull the result count out of the LI and store that as the count 2, which gave me 5 over here in the buffer viewer. And then I just stick that into the This is the answer. Count to 2. And it didn't work, as I said, because I had that was a change, and we wanted to fire the event on input when we type in the number. Guys, this has been without a doubt the most trying and irritating Tosca obstacle I have ever encountered. I hope the rest of them, there's about 4 or 5 hard ones remaining, I hope they're not anything like this, because this one really tried my patience. Try to put out videos a little bit more frequently. The next video I suspect I'm going to put out will be to give me a little break from the obstacle course. I'm going to look at the Tosca sandbox product that came out recently. Alright guys, stay safe, stay sober, try not to beat up any of your family. Apparently that's a really big deal these days. Take care, bye bye.